Ever wanted to turn those digital files on your Mac into something you can actually hold? Let's dive right in. First, we need to add your printer. Go to System Preferences, which you can find in your dock, or by clicking the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Preferences next. Click on Printers and Scanners. This window shows all printers currently connected. If your printer isn't here, click the plus button. This will open the Add Printer window. Your Mac will search for available printers. Select your printer from the list if it's a network printer. Make sure your Mac is on the same network. If the printer isn't appearing, make sure it is connected and powered on. Once selected, click Add. Now, let's print something. Either open the file you want to print. Could be a document, image, or anything printable. Then in the application you're using, go to File in the menu bar and select Print. This opens the print dialog. Here's where the magic happens. Select your printer from the printer drop-down list. You can configure settings like the number of copies, page ranges to print, and paper size. Click the presets drop-down to save common settings or adjustments you want to repeat. Before printing, you can preview your printer to see what it will look like when printed. Once done, click Print. Your document will now start printing. You've successfully printed from your Mac. You can easily print the important things and keep all the memories you have by keeping digital records and making them physical.